Hi, this is Jamil from FreePSD Planet. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a glow water effect in Photoshop for beginners, step by step and easy tutorial. So first of all, go to the adjustments layer icon and photo filter. So change the density to 100%. Now I want to change this color to, I like this one like water. So wow, that I like this one color like watercolor. Select the color like watercolor, press OK. Now change blend modes to overlay. Here is our overlay. So here is our data, and now make sure that your mask is selected and then press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Now select brush tool and make sure that foreground and background color black and white. Foreground and background color to change the white color here. Select brush tool and change the size. So click here to show the water, change color. So friend, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is easy and step-by-step tutorial. So here is our final result. Check out this. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.